Welcome to your tour of the Surescripts Certification Tester tool. We'll start by logging into the staging workbench with your login ID and password. You'll find the certification tester under the Testing tab. The Certification Learning homepage will include step-by-step guidance on how to get started with testing. You can also find some frequently asked questions and other helpful resources like implementation guides. When you are ready to start testing, you can either click on the certification dashboard or click the easy Get Started button to open up your testing suite directly. Your projects will be clearly labeled so you can easily identify what products and message types are included within a specific project. You can also sort or filter by any product type or message type or even the status of a test case. Clicking on the hyperlinked test case name will take you directly back into a test case. Here you'll find an overview of navigating through this test case with easy references back to the patient data within the specific testing scenario. Now, long gone are those days of snipping a screenshot and sending it back to Surescripts to make sure you're meeting our requirements. With a simple click of a button, you can now attest to any application certification requirement that we're asking for directly within the tool itself. The tool will also allow for real-time XML message validation, so you can easily identify what values are correct, indicated by a green check mark, but you can also easily identify any errors and you can troubleshoot them, correct the issue, and then test again. When you have finalized all test steps within a test case, you're ready to submit your test for review. Any test case that has no errors will go directly into an accepted status. However, any test cases that do present an error or cannot meet a specific requirement will be put into an in review status in which somebody from Surescripts will review your issues and partner with you to make sure you can move forward with your certification testing. Not only does the tool make for an easier certification process, but we also have a new QA space for any additional testing needs. This is where you can play around with regression testing or the testing of an optional scenario or edge case that falls outside of the certification requirements. You'll notice the tool looks very familiar to the certification space, but these test cases cannot be submitted for a failure or for a passing status. This is a place for you to simply test again and test without any implication to your certification testing. Navigating between the two environments is relatively easy, but if at any point throughout your testing journey, if you need assistance, you can always email our support team with the Need Help icon here. We're so excited to streamline and optimize the testing process, and we can't wait to partner with you further. Happy testing!